What do you like about AOE? For me, it is probably what Neil's done in terms of that kind of really solid foundation, that community. I think he's done a brilliant job at that. And, so for me, it's definitely about that community side of it. And also the fact that it is focused on Australians and Australian businesses. And I think that was definitely a big POD or point of difference that Neil actually did, is he kind of really focused on the Aussies, which I like. Of course, anyone can join. You can be from anywhere. But in terms of just focusing on that, it was quite nice to have a training program related to that. And that's probably why it makes more sense in terms of having marketplaces in Australia. There's about 10 different e-commerce marketplaces that you can put your products on also. So it makes sense to actually start to look into those a little bit more. Okay, are you interested in building your own personal brand, making income online without needing to build my own personal brand, or both? For me, it's about both, really. I definitely want to build my own personal brand in terms of our products. We're in the baby niche. For a lot of you guys know, we're actually in another niche, also an outdoor one. But yeah, so for me, it is about building that personal brand for sure. And I'm always open to making an income online, different opportunities when it comes to e-commerce or other things when it comes to licensing or franchising and things like that. So definitely always open for things. Would you like to see more one-on-one coaching options? Yes, I think I would rather see that. I'd like to see maybe a little bit more specific coaching options, and it's something that we've been talking about for a little while, myself and the leadership team here within AOE, in terms of what we can do to actually provide that. Because some of you just need specific training about this specific marketplace, right? And you just want to book in maybe a 30-minute call about Shopify, or maybe you just need help to set up your customer email list and how to set that up. So that's what we kind of want to focus on. I think there should be more one-on-one coaching options, and I think they need to be a little bit more specific as opposed to general stuff. So maybe, sending out a survey to you or a questionnaire before you get on the call with the coach for that 30 minutes or that 1 hour, and you can let them know exactly what you need help with. So that way you can get on the call and just really nut it out, as opposed to, just a kind of calling it an e-commerce coach, I guess, more or less, which I don't mind. But you have to know what you need, what problem you need fixed, right? So I think one-on-one coaching options, yes, for sure. All right, what additional training would you like to see in AOE? So I think I've mentioned this. Yeah, probably different marketplaces, more specific training, things that's, problem solving where you're currently at, whether it be lack of finances, and that's why you're struggling. So maybe we can provide training on that. What would you do in that scenario? Maybe if it is you're struggling to scale your business, maybe we can do a training on that, on scaling. If you're looking at adding different marketplaces, maybe we can do a little bit more training just on that, about adding different marketplaces. So yeah, for me, I would like to see more training in AOE that's tied to specific marketplaces or niches or specific problems that you actually need solved. And that could be as big as goal setting and really mapping out your whole 12 months, or it could be something towards mindset training, or it could be something towards sourcing, whatever it is, specified sourcing from different countries. That's also a big opportunity. So yes, definitely a little bit more training, but a bit more straight to the point. That's what I'd prefer.
Hey there, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. That video actually was from the regular Monday night Q&A session, excuse me, that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, and growing, by the way. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and get yourself off there and come and join us, all you need to do is go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that, by the way, is underneath this video, and I will welcome you with open arms and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye.